Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your PowerPoint app. So all you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, so then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on notification categories. Then you come to this list, come here to someone edits my shared file. Just click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.